So in advanced keyboard, this keyboard includes a few more keys and functions more like as a traditional full PC keyboard as compared to basic touch keyboard. The keyboard is like a normal desktop window that you can resize or minimize, which is not possible in the basis of touch keyboard, right? So these are start click on the start button icon and select settings on the window settings screen, select easy to access, then select the keyboard option. So there are so many options through that you can get that particular keyboard. So now moving forward, on-screen keyboard appears is ready to be used. So on-screen keyboard, whenever you are going to install that, it's installed in your computer screen and it's look like this. Creating a shortcut on the desktop, if you want to create any type of shortcut, you can. A shortcut is an icon that point to a program or data file. It is a direct link to the program on the computer. The file is not physically stored on the desktop, but an icon is placed which link to the file folder. The shortcut is identified by a small arrow in the bottom left corner of the icon. So, creating a shortcut on the desktop. If you want to create any type of shortcut, you can. Why we are using the create a shortcut keys? Because if we are create a shortcut, what had happened? No need to go on that particular application in a long manner. We have to just click on that and automatically we go to the particular software. How to create a shortcut? Select file or folder whose shortcut you want place on the desktop, जिसका shortcut हम बनाना चाहते हैं. Keeping the file folder, select right click, select send and click on the desktop, create shortcut. What you have to do? Select send and click on the desktop and create shortcut. One option is there. Whenever you are going to click on that, automatically you get options over there. It's create shortcut. A shortcut of file will created and plays on the desktop. Automatically shortcut file is created. Then the next one. Burning of a CD. Burning of CD, you already have learned the same thing in the class 6th also. In a class 6 also this topic is there, burning of a CD and DVD. So burning of compact disc, the full form of CD is compact disc. DVD refers to write data into the CD or DVD. Burning of compact disc. Burning of compact disc means digital versatile disc. The full form of DVD is digital versatile disc and CD is compact disc. So all of you have to note down the full form of CD and DVD. The full form of CD is compact disc and the full form of DVD is digital versatile disc. Refers to write data into the CD or DVD if you want to write. Yes. So the storage of information on the CD or DVD is only possible due to CD or DVD writer. Only whenever you have a facility of CD and DVD writer, only at that particular time period you can store the information in CD and DVD because of the writer only, which burns the information onto recordable through laser beam. For example, all of you know that a few years ago what had happened, if you want to some copy our, copy songs from another side, if you want to copy any type of, things from the other location, what we have to do? First of all, we have that type of that much of space with us. Then after we can only the copy of that things. Insert, what we have to do? Insert the blank DVD or CD disk into an optical drive. First of all, it is necessary to we have with a DVD writer. Then after, what you have to do? You have to insert DVD writer and the CD writer disk into the optical driver. Then a burn disk. A burn disk wizard will appear on a screen. Give the disk a title. Windows 10 does not allow you more than 16 characters in the CD or DVD title. A burned disk wizard will appear on the screen. Give the disk a title. Windows 10 does not allow you more than 16 characters in the CD or DVD. Means not more than 16. CD or DVD title. Choose the option. Which option you want, it's up to you. You have to choose any one of them. Like a USB flash drive if you want to edit our files later, or choose the options with a CD or DVD player if you don't want to edit the files or later on. Edits means if you want to do some changes on that particular file, you can do that. If you don't want, you can do it later now. It's up to you. You have to do it yourself. Right. A burn wizard will appear on the screen. Give the disk. Windows 10 does not allow more than 16 characters in a CD or DVD title. So this one is a burn disk. Choose the option like the USB flash drive if you want to edit or files later, or choose the file or choose the options with a CD DVD player if you don't want to edit the file later on. So this one is happening. Click next and then click on next, and then wait while the disk is preparing for use, because it will take some time to prepare for use. Right, so click next. You get that option in your computer screen. Click on next and then wait while the disk is prepared for use. Then after you can only use that. Browse to any file that you would like to add to the disk. Then click, and then browse means if you want to find out anything from that side, you can browse to any file that you would like to add. Whatever you want to add in that particular area, you can browse it. And then what you have to do, then click on start file explorer this PC and open the drive containing the CD or DVD writer. Then what you have to do, the next step is drag and drop any file. Drag and drop means through mouse you can, first of all you have to select that particular file, then drag it through with the help of a mouse, and drag. Whenever you are going to drag, press the right mouse button. Do not leave that mouse button. And then in whatever the location you want to leave that file, you have to just just give a one click to your mouse, it automatically copied. Like USB flash drive, if you want to edit any file, choose the option like USB flash drive if you want to edit our files later, or choose the option with a CD DVD player if you don't want to edit the file later on. So click the next and then wait while the disk is prepared for use. So this, through this you can burn a CD. Burning a CD means burning of a compact disk. Uh, refers to writing data into the CD or DVD. Whenever we are going to writing a data into the CD or DVD, browse any file if you want to like to add in disk. Then click on the Start File Explorer with PC, and open the drive container of the CD and DVD writer. Drag and drop file. All of you know that whenever we are going to select the particular file and then we drop it out, that one is called drag and drop. A process window appears showing the disk burner process. When the progress window disappears, window has finished burning the disk. When you are through copying file to the disk, right click the driver's icon of the file explorer and choose the eject window. Close the session. Add finishing touch to the disk that lets other PCs read it. So if we try to copy a large number of files to a disk which may you not fit into the CD or DVD, window will display a warning. Definitely if it's not going to fit into the CD or DVD, It happens with our mobile phone itself also. Sometimes we are going to send a messages to our elders or our friends. What had happened, unfortunately, if we don't have a space of that much in our mobiles, what had happened, if it's not fit into the our mobile phone, window will display a warning message immediately. It is advised to copy few files at a time and perhaps space them out over to disk. So this one is happening with the computer itself also. The functions of the computer and the mobile phones are near about, each same. But the thing is that you have to do on practice on that, because without practice you can't be able to do, uh, can't be able to memorize it, right? So all of you students, what you need to do is you have to just learn once again in these paragraphs. Then after, definitely you can memorize it. Now moving forward to the that definitions. File Explorer. What is File Explorer? It is used to explore the folder and subfolder present in the hard disk of the computer. That one is called a File Explorer. Means this is used to explore the folder and subfolder present in the hard disk of the computer. Quick access. What is quick access? This shows both our most recently accessed folders and printed folders. Library. What is library? All of you know that. The library means these are the collection of the folders which are used to manage different content. And the shortcut, this is an icon that points to a program or data files. That one is called shortcuts. Now moving forward to the to the fill ups. File Explorer is the file management application in Windows 10. Ribbon is situated. File Explorer is the file management application in Windows 10. Ribbon. Ribbon is situated on the top of the File Explorer. Short by button on the View tab help to arrange the files folder in ascending or descending order. We can get back our deleted file or folders on the from the recycle bin. Place on the desktop. From recycle bin we can reinstall our deleted files. If we want to recollect, we can recollect it from the recycle bin. Dash is a direct link to a program on the computer. Shortcut on desktop. Shortcut on a desktop is a direct link to a program on the computer. So up to here we already done the fill in the blanks. I believe all of you have done the fill in the blanks in your computer notebook. If you're not done, please note it down in your computer notebook. So that's all about today's class. Now I'm going to explain you once again. I just checked out. Wait for that. What we need to do is we have to just. I'm going to explain the fill in true and false also. State true and false. Microsoft Cloud Storage Device. Cloud storage means Google storage. Whenever we are going to store our files in a Google, it's called cloud storage. Microsoft Cloud Storage Device OneDrive does not exist in a quick access. No, it's false. It can. List view display the files and folders as a list proceed by small icons. True. This one is a true. And the next one. Sort by option can display the folder only in ascending orders. False. It's in descending order. The property of the file folder can be viewed. The property of a file and folder cannot be viewed. No, false. We can view the property of the file and folders. Properties means whenever we are going to check out the size of the file, the in which date the file has been modified, and all that. They are called the properties of the file and folder. There are no difference in the basic and the advanced on screen of keyboard. False, because there is a very big difference between basic and the advanced on screen keyboard, because you know that, because some of you have not not worked with the on screen keyboard, some of you not have even seen the on screen keyboards on the computer. We can install the on screen keyboard itself in our uh, mobile phones itself. If our keyboard is not working, what we have to do, we can install the on screen keyboards in our Android mobile phone only, right? So this one is all about today's class. So now students, what you need to do is you have to note down all the fill in the blanks, all the fill in the blanks in your classwork notebook, and send it to me in my personal WhatsApp number. If you have a time, you can note down the true and false also. If you don't have time, no need to write it down the true and false, only write down the fill in the blanks also. If you don't have a time, no need to write it down the fill in the true and false, but yes, you have to write the fill in the blanks and the as well as the definition whatever I am giving you. You can note it down in your classwork copies and then send it to me in my class, in my personal WhatsApp number. Thank you, have a nice day.